starship, would you find a way to live? If I came knocking at your door on the last day on the earth, would you give a try to fix this, or would you just let me go? I know we can overcome it. Side by side we shine like diamonds. If stars and moons collide, love will save our What about the things we could take? Baby, how you gonna fake? This could really be the last time you could spit out all your sins. So why would you still keep it back? I will listen, no regret. In this moment of forgiveness, we'll just hear and understand. I know we can overcome it. Side by side we shine like diamonds. If stars and moons collide, love will save our life. Love will save our life. Love will save our life.
My mind is like a cage, feels like I wanna break away. Yes, that's the one thing I can't control. And in the middle of the night, you made me realize all that I needed was you and I. But I can't stop this, I'm thinking of you always. I feel my heartbeat, it's beating out my chest. Feels like I'm floating, missing you comes away. I feel my heartbeat, and tonight I'll try. Tonight I'll If you'd only let me know how to get you close, I wouldn't feel like I'm all alone. And if the world would fall apart, I would be just where you are. I'd go over the skyline to make you mine. But I can't stop this, I'm thinking of you always. I feel my heartbeat, it's beating out my chest. Feels like I'm floating, missing you comes away. I feel my heartbeat, and tonight I'll try. Tonight I'll try. rather die than miss your eyes. You're all I want. I play the fool for you. For you. But I can't stop this.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Banana Bread Trades. My name is Goose, and I hope you guys are all ready for a fantastic Friday. I hope your Thursday was amazing. I hope you all have had a great week. It's the final day. Let's end this day green. Let's end our week green. Let's have fun. Let's be patient. Let's make some trades, baby. Let's go. A little bit of movement in the overnight session, as you can see. We are below. We're ranging below yesterday's initial balance. Currently below yesterday's close as well. The market just does not seem to want to get above yesterday's close, which might be news for a move to the downside. I'm not real sure. You see, we made it all the way down to our 36.45 level that we have been talking about. Bounced it perfectly, so our levels kind of fuck. That's pretty awesome. But yeah, bouncing 36.45, definitely some support there. Gonna be interesting to see if that is indeed the bottom and we move up from there back into yesterday's range, or if we're going to go back to 36.45 and break into last week's prior range. I don't have too much of a bias right now. You know, this is a pretty intense range we're in now, where we're between, where we're between, maybe I'll be able to get it out. Where we're between yesterday's close and that 36.45 level. Those are going to be two pretty hard levels to beat. Let's go ahead and change our let's go ahead and change our date and time and everything. It's the 21st. What kind of news do we got today? Well, I'll tell you what kind of news we got today. I will tell you so much. The news that we got today, nothing. That's it. That's it right there. That news is brought to you by Mr. Decoy. But no significant events. No significant events. Done. Dunzo. Upper target. I'm going to say 37.05. Going to be our upper target. That level sucks too. I hate that 3700 level so much. Why do I hate it? Because it's just been so choppy and rangy. It's just not a clean level, you know? It's not something that's like, ooh, this is delicious. I'll take this trade. No, you can expect some garbage there. So that makes me upsetty spaghetti. For our lower target, I'm going to go ahead. I'm not going to include 36.45 because we're already kind of there. So that'd be kind of cheating to call that a target, you know? So I'm going to call an actual target of 35.80 to be our downside target. So we'll go ahead and call 35.80 our downside target. And these targets are, I'm not expecting both of these to hit. I'm just saying, if we open with a bull bias, I'm looking for the high to be 37.05. If we open with a bear bias, I'm looking for the low to be 35.80, right? I don't have a super hard bias right now, but those are my upper levels and the lower levels. If we get above or below those levels, I'm usually sitting flat because we've extended past my predicted move for the day. So let's take a gander upon yonder. And see, it really looks kind of like a nice bull flag. You see how we've had a pretty constant rate of decline. So I could see this moving higher. The only thing that's somewhat suspicious is this top being lower than there, right? We ran out of buyers, and then this spike here, we also ran out of buyers. Right, there was just zero interest. So we go a little lower to pick up some buyers, but I don't know. It could also be one of those things where we spike up, fail below 36.45. All longs are off the table, you know. Longs are off the table until 35.80 maybe. But that's the opinion right there. What? I'm tired this morning. I even went to bed early. I mean, we're still just in like a big disgusting range, and I hate it. I hate it so much. I hate this volume area. It's very balanced. You look at the monthly volume profile, look how balanced that is. And we're kind of right in the middle. So that's kind of like trading right now would kind of be like diddling in the middle on a macro perspective. Granted, I only need fucking 5 points. I did get one trade in last night, so we're chilling. We're sitting up $187 right now. I got a little less than 4 points on a short last night. Where did I short? I shorted... I shorted this guy right here. Here, let's show him. Settings, visual trading, show trades. There. I took that short right there. That was the move. That was the play. That's what we did. Let's take a look at... Make it big. Let's take a look at yesterday's initial balance. Okay, so yesterday, there we go. Yesterday, so we made a high around the 30-minute mark. We turned over. We had a couple power trades at the high of day. I was in a meeting all morning, so I totally missed the entire like first hour and a half of the trading session. Had I been here, I would have been shorting that because that was a beautiful setup for short. Because when you looked at it on the footprint chart, Delta flipped here too, flipped pretty red. Right at that 30-minute mark, 30-minute opening range, right? It rotated and it was beautiful. And then we had a pretty nice steady sell-off. And then I tried along here at VWAP. I definitely got in my funded account. Definitely got clapped here. And then, yeah, it just kind of sold off the rest of the day. I caught a nice long down here in the bottom. Got back to green. And then I think I tried to short one last time. Yeah, I tried to short here at 83. And so I got my funded account decent green, but I tell you what, this sell-off yesterday was nasty. There was zero bounce, zero effort by the bulls. I'm not really sure what happened. They've been pretty spunky, you know, and then at 36.80 on the, here, let's go here. At 36.80, that was the bottom of volume, right? That's where the POC was. They put zero effort. There was zero effort put in by the bulls at this level. So it really makes me concerned for the bull side that didn't hold. Not only did that not hold, it didn't even bounce, right? We just blew right through it. With all the volume that's been collected there over the week, we blew right through it. Zero effort. And that was I was planning on holding for like 100 points, so I was really sad, right? I thought that was going to be a super hold level. It was not a super hold level. Blew right through, and now we're all the way down at 36.45. I have to blow my nose. I will be right back.
Since that night, I realized I didn't want another lover. 'Cause we had time, but I still just didn't want it to be over. I'm in, I could've kept going forever. I'm in, I really wanna stay together. I'm in, to be honest, I just never felt like this. Never felt like this. You got me.
Alright, we're back. I need to send the link of this to someone. There we go. We might not make it. Oh, let's look at chart. Hold on. Where are we at here? Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? At VWAP. I'd rather have a short closer to high a day. I was thinking it was time for a short, but it is not. It is not time for a short quite yet, my friends. Let me check something. Oh, okay. 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 I have someone asking me about the short that I took. Okay, so let's flip back to the short and let's walk through it. Let's walk through this short. Oh, I already got trades on. Okay, so let's make it big. Actually, no, let's not make it big. So let's talk about the thought process of this short at 36.68. What time was that? Where is that on the 15-minute chart? That's 8 p.m. So let's go to 8 p.m. here. Settings, visual trading, trades, show trades, marker and label, size, large, color, white. And then I think I have to have account selected. Should be right here, but it's not showing up. That's the top one selected. So I have the correct account selected. for sharks. So do I need to refresh, I guess? Hold on, refresh. Go back to 8 p.m. There it shows up. All right. Okay, so I need to screenshot this and let's talk about this short. Let's talk about this short that I took. Okay, so why did I take this short on the overnight? Why did I take this short on the overnight? Well, you look down here, you look at Delta. Delta red. Delta flipped red. Right, I'm just looking for a scalp here back to VWAP. Red Delta. Red. Let's use a different pen. Red Delta. Was green. It's so hard to write with a mouse. And then we had a finished auction at the top. Finished auction. Meaning that there was a 0 at the top, right? There's a finished auction, 0 at the top. And I wanted to hold the trade. Scalp to VWAP. Oops, let's rewrite that. Oh no. Oh no. Head scalp. To VWAP. All right, there it is. There's the trade. So what happened was we got a little rippage. We get to that 3670 level during the regular trading session. 3670 was a little bit of a level. There was a lot of value in there. Yeah, well, maybe value. And then also, yeah, let's write that right here. 3670 volume. We'll write RTH. RTH volume. Or no. We'll do weekly volume. All right, I'll just leave volume. I'll just leave volume there. Say there was a volume level. Okay. So, because that is the weekly volume, and then that volume spike right there was made during RTH, but that's just gonna confuse people. So, what we did, we pumped up. Delta was mad green. That delta right there was mad green, and then it flipped red. I went ahead and got short at that 36.68 level, or 36.70 level is really what I was looking at. When you look at the weekly volume, there's that little bit of a volume spike there. So I had a nice top tick entry, put it at break even, and my scalp target was VWAP. That was what we were after. That's pretty much walking through that trade right there. You know, it wasn't like the best trade I've ever taken. It wasn't the most attractive thing I've ever looked at and been like, dang, I really want that trade. But it was kind of worth a shot, especially because I got a top tick entry like that. So I could instantly just set it at break even and be like, okay, well, if we get back to VWAP, we get back to VWAP. Worst case scenario, I get a break even, right? So that's kind of the thought process of that short right there. Like I said, my finger was on the trigger to take profit at any point in time. You can see volume come in right here. That darker pink is the POC of that candle. Volume got kind of heavy right there. So I went ahead and took profit. Granted, it did go ahead and slide through VWAP, but you know, I was only looking for a scalp. Really, the original target was just 3 points. I got just a little, and I got 3.75 points, right? So I got 87 more bucks than I had originally planned. So I'm gonna be grateful for that and just, you know, chill, you know. So, or I guess not 87. We got 37 more bucks than originally planned. Yeah, because we got 0.75 more. So yes, that was walking through that trade right there. And now where are we at? Oh, we ended up flushing while we were talking about that. That's sad news, bears. I wanted us to go back to yesterday's close so I could get short. Oh, that flush so good, and we talked about it. The pain, the sadness that has taken over me. But I didn't really like it, yeah, because we didn't have a finished auction at the top. So not much of a... Probably wouldn't have taken that short. I just know we talked about it, kind of wanted it, and then didn't get it. So I cry. I cry tears. But, you know, we move on. We move on. So let's type that into that guy who asked that question. 3670 was a volume level. Was a weekly. Not a major one though. Was watching Delta. It was big green. It was decent green. And then flipped red. What all did I have in there? Oh yeah, finished auction at the high. That's what I was looking at. Finished auction at the high. Hold on just a second. We're fine. We're fine. We're gonna live. We're gonna live. Finished auction at the high, and then quick. There we go. Okay. Back to the charts. So, what do we got going here? I think I broke my computer for a second. We're back going though. Okay, so what do we got going on the charts right now? Still, we're not really in any zone that's like super nice. We're at the POC of the overnight, but it's not like a beautiful looking POC. I'd like it to be a little more rounded on both sides and say like, oh, this is some accumulation we can hold along, or like a nice ledge. Maybe if we got closer to the overnight low, I'd consider maybe a long. I don't like having a long where like, that's just, it needs to be within 5 points of where I want a long. If we're within 5 points and I can comfortably set my stop below my validation level, then, you know, I'll be interested in taking a long. But that's like the main thing, is we have to be within, give me plenty of breathing room of my validation level. So we'll see it come down to 36.40-ish something. 36.45. See it come down here. We'll watch for volume. I might not get long, depending on what Delta looks like here, but we're definitely probably gonna consider getting in a trade here. Like I said, we will watch Delta like a hawk, right? We are going to be watching very, very closely. I need a little bit lower, and we'll consider it. But we will be watching Delta very, very, very close. 36.47 is the overnight low. If we can put in some volume right here above 36.47 and they want to hold it, then maybe we get long. If not, we will not get long. We will vibe and we will just chill. Not looking to take a loss. You know, we already got one trade. We got the one trade in for a day on the personal account, and that's what I have open right now. So I'm okay with not taking a trade in this account, but if we see something really, really juicy, I'll go ahead and take it. Mainly talking about this 36.45 level. I really like this level a lot, right? This 36.45 level is extremely yum. It's delicious. It's Gucci Fam 100. Gas on God for real. I like this level. We've been talking about it for 2 weeks now. About this 36.45 level. It's the top of yesterday or last week's volume, right? Like, it's just such a delicious volume level. So I will be watching it. It looks like we might be front running it, which is okay. I'll gladly sit out. I don't want to hop in front of a train. Maybe if we get a retest, I'll take it. We're bouncing just a little sooner kind of than I wanted. Like I said, that just put my stop a little too far down. So if we can get a little lower, then I will take it. I think the next video I'm going to do is a power trades video. Yeah. Next power trades video is the next one I will be doing probably. I would like to do a prop firm video, power trades video, prop firm video. I'm thinking about maybe redoing the initial balance and how to set up quant tower charts video. Maybe just re-editing them a little bit. Just putting the intro in. Maybe not. I don't know. Probably not. Maybe, let's see. Oh, we need to do a volume profile video, and then we need to do a, levels video, like how to draw your levels, right? How to go to your long-term chart, your daily or your 15-minute, 4-hour, hourly chart, whatever long-term chart you like, right? How to go to that chart, look for support and resistance zones, and make levels based off that, and how to make levels based off volume profile. So yeah, the levels one involves a little bit of volume profile, because as you can see, I draw some levels off volume profile. So that'll probably be included in the video as well. But the volume profile will still be like its own video. Like I could make, because there's a little bit more like to volume profile than just drawing levels, right? But there's certain parts of the volume profile that you can use to draw levels. So that's what I'll probably do. Delta's still a little too red for me to consider taking it yet. Not liking the long yet. We're still, I mean, it's pretty decent red delta, right? We're at, volume's getting decent though. Like we got decent volume. But delta's still red. We haven't posted a green candle yet. So no interest from me yet. The POC of these candles is kind of evening out right here though, right at 36.50. Probably gonna move down a little further. And then maybe we get a green delta candle. Like I said, I need a green delta candle first, or at least some show of buyers. Before I get long fam 100. Let me make this big. Let's take a screenshot of this. 36.45. 36.45 is major volume level, top of last week's range. Okie doke, there's that put in. So yeah, we're watching this very carefully. This is like my major pivot area. There, we went a little bit lower. Heavy red delta, look at that. That's delicious. That is what we want to see. We want to see some movement like that. So let's see if this delta can push us down a little further. Get us to that 36.47, 36.45 area. That if we get a flip, I will go long. I will take the long. There, we'll even get the trade. Window open, stop loss. We want that at 20. There we go. Yeah, we will for sharks take this situation if it applies. Oh, look at that delta. Delta getting Hevs red too. Hevs red. And when I say Hevs red, I mean it's getting very, very heavy red. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We lost a chart. Where'd it go? Wait, where did it go? Did I straight up just lose my 15-minute chart? I'm going to be so... Oh, wait, no. Wait, what the heck? What the heck happened, Richard? What the fuck, Richard? This could be bad for the program. There we go. Crisis averted. I thought I straight up just like lost all my charts, but they're right here. There we go. Somehow I got my DOM on the other side of the screen so I can like place orders and stuff and not have you see my account. I can do it here now too. But somehow it connected to my DOM over here. And I about cried. I thought I lost it forever. And that was like a lot of work to get it as beautiful as it was. And it takes forever to load that volume. I want the long pretty bad. I'm gonna wait. We got 17 seconds until this fills. There it goes, flushing down a little bit. 3 seconds. What's it gonna do? Oh, Delta's still a heavy red. Oh, look at that. Delta's still coming in. We're chilling. We are mad chilling. We're big chilling. We're not interested in that yet. Not with that big red delta. There it is. We'll try it. Why doesn't it show my visual trading orders? Yeah, orders need to show up. There we go. And then positions. Settings. There we go. All right, we're gonna watch this. I want to see 36.45 hold. I like seeing that delta flip that came. Didn't quite go green. So we'll be cautious here. We might get clapped. That'll be sad if we get clapped. I want this level to hold. I like this level a lot. I want to see some buyers come in. If we end up getting clapped, I'm gonna cry. Come on, baby. This is the level I've been waiting for a while. We got in a little early. Didn't quite like the fill we got. But, like I said, this 36.45 level, this is delicious. This is what we're looking for. It's tested. Do we bounce? It does not look like we're gonna bounce. I might go ahead and kill this early. I need something like vigorous to happen. Selling came back in pretty heavy. Come on, buyers, do something here. Do something crazy. Yeah, it doesn't look like they're going to take it. Come on. Yeah, sellers coming in pretty hot. I don't know if they're going to recover this or not. Does not look like it. That's flushing through pretty heavy now. Yeah, no, they are. They killed me. Those bastards. Zero effort by the Bulls once again at the level. Violence was brought upon us. I'm sad about that. We tried. But no, sellers just came in. I figured buyers would come in for a bounce there. I mean, that was the level they needed to defend, and they did not defend it. We fell back. We are back in yesterday's range now. Gonna have to do some work today then to make that back. I mean, I'm only down $50 now on the day. Like, it's not like I'm down a lot. One trade puts me back exactly where I was. That's just disappointing though. I wanted that win. I thought that was going to be a nice one. That's why I didn't have a take profit, because if we bounce there, should have been a really nice bounce. And yeah, no victory sauce for us. That we're back in last week's range. This is some dangerous territory. Probably be unless something crazy happens, probably be short biased on the day with that big of a gap down, right? We got a pretty decent sized gap down. What is that? 40 point gap down at this point, unless something crazy happens. We got one more minute till this candle closes. I might actually have to try again. We'll see. I don't like the low. It's just always frustrating when they stop you out. Bomb tick. If they bounce it now, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna be patient here. We'll see what this new 5-minute candle does. Oh, they're gonna rip it. These mother effers. You can tell I'm watching it very closely. I just don't like how the Bulls didn't come in at all, right? We have still 0 buyers showing up. I mean, they definitely came in kind of hot there at the end of that last 5-minute candle, but they didn't flip the delta green, right? We're still overall red delta. Shows the sellers are still in control. Yeah, they came back down, so it's a good thing we didn't take that long. Good discipline there. Yeah, sellers still just super strong. They're really coming in hard at this level, so we'll go ahead and watch here. Unfinished auction at the bottom, so definitely don't want it yet. Man, this might just start a hell of a meltdown for the day. You know, that was the level. If they were going to defend, they were going to defend that level. They did not defend that level whatsoever. 0 effort. Yeah, 0 effort by the Bulls defending that level. If they're not going to defend that level, then I don't have a lot of confidence in the Bulls for the day. 35.80 probably on the table. We'll watch open. We'll watch open pretty closely. and then go attack the day. We'll go attack it. Definitely seeing a little bit of volume come in here, but no, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. I'm gonna get to the office early so I can get charts on and watch, because this is gonna be an exciting Friday, and I really wanna. I think I'm gonna play open today, so I will catch you guys on Monday. Have a fantastic Friday. Have a good day today. Be patient. Wait for the setup to come. Watch your delta. And